and welcome back to Sunny Dive Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Genesis from the 9th to the 13th of March 2026 on Monday. The Tabata celebration might be premature. Maruna is not fazed by the new development. A new chapter unfolds for Ishmael and Fistos on Tuesday. Felicia's shocking betrayal shakes every household to its core, and Wendy's ancestral ritual brings hope and healing to her family. Ishmael and Fistos find out some home ownership isn't for the faint-hearted on Wednesday. Felicia's lies push Bongo and the Hlophe to the edge. Gabriel twists the knife deeper and Mpumi spirally into jealousy just when Fistos and Ishmael plan to escape their trouble. Temptation jogs right past them on Thursday. A matriarch is expected to practice what she preaches. A place in Gabriel's heart is by invite only. The birth surprises comes out of the blue on Friday. Gabriel attempts to woo Felicia into celebrating their 16th anniversary, and Mpumi grows suspicious about the award invitation. Fistos and Ishmael plan their first house party. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.